The MQ-28 is a loyal wingman drone, a stealthy, uncrewed combat aerial vehicle, UCAV, designed to fly alongside crewed fighters like the F-35 or the EA-18G Growler. It has a tailless flying wing design with a blended body, which minimizes radar cross-section. The nose is modular, and it can be swapped out for different sensor packages, such as radar, electronic warfare, or intelligence gathering gear. The MQ-28 Ghost Bat is powered by a single turbofan engine, derived from a commercial business jet engine, with a top speed of around Mach 0.9. The air intake is mounted on top of the fuselage, which helps hide it from ground-based radar and reduces infrared signature. This is the core of how it works, is its AI feature. The MQ-28 is not remotely piloted in the traditional sense like a Predator drone. Instead, it uses artificial intelligence to fly autonomously.
The human pilot in a crewed fighter gives high-level commands like fly to this point, scan for threats, engage that target, and the MQ-28's AI handles the actual flying, navigation, sensor management, and tactics.
It can also operate in a swarm with other MQ-28s. It carries an internal weapons bay, keeping the stealth profile that can hold missiles or bombs. It also has a sophisticated sensor suite for surveillance and targeting. The modular nose can carry a large, advanced radar array. The Ghost Bat relies on secure, high-bandwidth data links to communicate with the crewed mothership and with other drones. If the link is lost, it can return to base autonomously.
A human pilot in an F-35 or F/A-18F Super Hornet acts as the quarterback. The MQ-28 flies ahead as a point man by using its sensors to detect enemy threats without risking the crewed aircraft. It can act as a sensor decoy, a missile truck carrying extra weapons, or even a kamikaze drone if needed.
The AI makes split-second decisions about formation, evasion, and targeting within the rules set by the human commander. The first prototype flew on 27 February 2021, much earlier than originally planned, which was a major achievement for Boeing Australia. The Royal Australian Air Force ordered multiple aircraft. The program moved from prototyping to low-rate initial production. As of the current date, the MQ-28 Ghost Bat has been operationally deployed with the Royal Australian Air Force. It is not just a test article anymore. The RAAF has been integrating it into exercises and operational squadrons, flying alongside F-35s and Super Hornets. Several other nations, including the United States, Japan, and the UK, have shown strong interest in the design or the underlying loyal wingman concept. Boeing has also proposed a variant for the U.S. Air Force's own Collaborative Combat Aircraft, CCA program. The MQ-28 is a stealthy, AI-driven drone that acts as a force multiplier for crewed fighters. It was first flown in 2021 and is now in active service with the RAF, representing one of the first operational loyal wingman aircraft in the world. The development of the Boeing MQ-28 Ghost Bat is shifting rapidly from regional testing to a central component of global air defense strategies. Driven by lessons from recent conflicts like the war in Ukraine and an urgent global push for affordable aircraft mass, the MQ-28 program is expanding heavily into European markets while competing against a new generation of uncrewed systems. The MQ-28 has successfully completed over 150 test flights in partnership with the Royal Australian Air Force, RAF, transitioning it from an experimental concept to a highly mature platform. In mid-2026, Boeing partnered with Rheinmetall to establish a sovereign systems integration hub in Germany. They are pitching the MQ-28 to fulfill the German Air Force's Luftwaffe requirement for a collaborative combat aircraft, CCA, by 2029. Rather than a centralized factory, Boeing plans to use decentralized facilities to protect local technology control. The European network integrates crucial continent-wide aerospace suppliers, such as that manages sensor systems integration for the German fleet, that provides an advanced infrared search and track, or IRST, system built into the modular nose. Diehl Defense and Rohde Schwarz secures localized weapon and communications modules. Highlighting its interoperability, the Ghost Bat deployed internationally for Exercise Valiant Shield, flying autonomously alongside American F-15EX and F-35 fighter wings to prove joint human-machine teaming concepts.
While competitors focus heavily on airframe numbers, the MQ-28 Ghost Bat stands out for its high adaptability, centered entirely around its quick-change modular nose cone.
The entire front section of the aircraft can be unbolted and swapped by ground crews in under 30 minutes. This allows a single airframe to switch from a scout to a strike asset between flights.
The nose features integrated infrared search and track (IRST) systems developed with Leonardo. This allows the Ghost Bat to hunt for enemy stealth aircraft by tracking their heat signatures without emitting radar signals that would give away its own location. The module packs high-power electronic attack transmitters. Flying out ahead of manned aircraft, the Ghost Bat can project powerful jamming signals to blind enemy radar nets, clearing a safe path for human pilots trailing behind.
The MQ-28 Ghost Bat is powered by a single turbofan engine. It matches fighter-like speeds of up to Mach 0.9 and high-altitude flight above 40,000 feet. The detachable nose allows the drone to switch quickly between electronic warfare, reconnaissance, and strike payloads. It uses advanced artificial intelligence to make split-second choices, shield manned jets, and act as a sensor-bearing decoy in contested airspace. Competitors to the Ghost Bat include the Kratos XQ-58 Valkyrie. The XQ-58 Valkyrie is a lower-cost, highly attritable U.S. drone designed for affordable mass, utilizing runway-independent rocket launches. Another competitor is the Anduril YFQ-44 Fury. This is selected by the U.S. Air Force for ongoing collaborative combat aircraft (CCA) development and flight testing. The General Atomics Gambit series YFQ-42A is another competitor, with modular, AI-driven concepts engineered for rapid production and multi-mission adaptability in the U.S. market. Lastly, the Hellcats Warrior, which is an Indian indigenous loyal wingman concept designed for autonomous teaming with crewed aircraft.
On 8 December 2025, the MQ-28A's first live firing occurred when an AIM-120 AMRAAM missile destroyed a Phoenix target drone. The MQ-28A was acting as a loyal wingman to a RAF E-7 Wedgetail and to an FA-18F Super Hornet. It was reportedly, according to the War Zone, the first time an unmanned aircraft had fired an AIM-120 AMRAAM. The three aircraft participating in the engagement took off from different locations, with the MQ-28 being overseen by an operator aboard the E-7. The MQ-28 and the Super Hornet flew in combat formation during the engagement.
Data was shared between the three aircraft, with the Super Hornet identifying and tracking the target drone. The MQ-28 adjusted its course accordingly and was sent authorization from the E-7 to engage the target at an operationally representative range. After firing, the MQ-28 provided the AMRAAM with mid-course guidance. According to Colin Miller, General Manager of Boeing Phantom Works, only 4 major commands were issued by the operator during the test engagement: taking off, performing a combat air patrol, committing to target interception, and giving clearance for the MQ-28 to arm and fire the missile. The test made the MQ-28 the second unmanned combat aerial vehicle in the world, after the Bayraktar Kızılelma, to successfully destroy an aerial target using a beyond visual range air